Find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining A minus 2 comma 2 and B 2 comma 8 into 4 equal parts. Here AB line is divided into here AB line is divided into 4 equal parts. For example, this is A, this is B, and this AB line segment is divided into 4 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are the intersection points P, Q, R. Okay, now if we observe carefully, here P divides AB in the ratio of 1:3. ఇక్కడ చూడండి మనకి ఏంటంటే 4 ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ P కనుక్కోవాలంటే Pకి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ మనకి ఒక పార్ట్ ఉంది, రైట్ సైడ్ 3 పార్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో P ఈజ్ డివైడింగ్ AP ఈజ్ టు PB ఇన్ ద రేషియో ఆఫ్ 1:3. చూడండి Pకి ముందు 1 పార్ట్ ఉంది, Pకి తర్వాత 1 2 3 పార్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో to find P, we will use the ratio 1:3 as M1 is to M2. And similarly, to find Q కనుక్కోవాలనుకోండి, Qకు ముందర మనకి 2 పార్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, Q తర్వాత మనకి 2 పార్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, కాబట్టి 2:2 will be the ratio. To find R కి లెఫ్ట్ లో మనకి 3 పార్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, చూడండి ఒక పార్ట్, రెండో పార్ట్, మూడో పార్ట్. సో A to R is 3 parts and తర్వాత మనకి 1 part. ఓకే, నో చూడండి చాలా సింపుల్. ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ A వచ్చి -2, 2, B వచ్చి 2, 8, and this will be our x1 y1, this will be our x2 y2. Now to find P, we will use the section formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So that means m1 is here 1 into x2 means here 2 plus m2 means here 3. See, first we are considering 1:3 ratio, because since we are finding P, the ratio should be 1:3. Therefore m1 is 1, m2 is 3, and x1 is -2 by m1 plus m2, 1 plus 3, comma m1 1 into y2 8 plus m2 3, y1 is 2 by 1 plus 3. Ultimately it will become 1 2s are 2, 3 into -2 -6, 2 minus 6 by 4, comma 8 plus 6, 14 by 4. So -4 by 4 means -1, comma 7 by 2, -1, comma 7 by 2. Okay, if we can simplify this, we will get this answer. Now to find Q, the ratio is 2:2, which is nothing but the midpoint. 2:2 means nothing but the midpoint of A comma B. So A is -2 comma 2, B is 2 comma 8. We can use this ratio as m1 is to m2, or we can also use the concept that Q is nothing but the midpoint of AB, so we can also use the midpoint formula. So it will become x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2, -2 plus 2 by 2, comma 2 plus 8 by 2, because midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So it will become 0, comma 10 by 2 means 5. And similarly, to find R, the ratio should be taken as 3:1. So m1 will be 3 and m2 will be 1. So therefore our formula should be m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So therefore m1 is here 3 into x2 is 2 plus m2 is 1, x1 is -2 by 3 plus 1, comma m1 is 3, y2 means 8, plus m2 is 1, y1 is 2 by 3 plus 1. Ultimately it will become 6 minus 2, 4 by 4, comma 24 plus 2, 26 by 4. So it will become 1 comma 13 by 2. That's it. Very simple. If a line is divided into 4 equal parts, we'll take the ratio as 1 is to 3, 2 is to 2, 3 is to 1. That means the ratio, if we add the ratio, it will become 4 because we are dividing into 4 equal parts. If we add the ratio, we should get 4. Similarly, if a line is divided into 5 equal parts, the ratio would be 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2, and 4 is to 1, like this. Okay, thank you.